Hi, right here on a nice sunny morning. Still a little bit chilly, but I'm going to show you this boy. This is a MOSSBERG, not very expensive to buy. It's a firearms .22 inches bolt action. Nice sight. Silencer on the end if you need it, but we're going to test it in a short while with and without, so you can see and hear the difference. Put that down a minute. These are boys. They're very small. They pack a good punch. This holds 10 shots. Just goes up. There. Whoops. Sometimes they jam up a bit, but that's life. Right, we've got the silencer on the end. We'll see what it does. Very quiet, wasn't it? Again. Like a cap gun. Right, we'll take this boy off. See if we can tell the difference. Very quiet. Not a lot of difference, is there? Put it back on again. Very quiet. It's a fresh box, cartridges, .22. Long rifle. That's the boys. This takes 10, well, I'll just put 5 in for now, all day. ready to go. Right, nice gun. Take it all out. Oh. Yeah. Sort of plastic stock, but ideal for throwing around. You haven't got to worry about damaging any of the wood. Like I said, it's not very expensive. You'll probably pick one of these up in your local gun shop. For about £100 with a scope, so nice gun. Ideal for target practice or firming control, but nice gun to have in your collection. MOSSBERG, nice gun. Right, next time I'll be showing you a semi-automatic with a wood stock, which is my favourite rifle, and we'll see how she works on the range. Right, boy, got work to do.